Another breakdown? Don't just repair. Upgrade your comfort and your peace of mind. Sometimes, repairs are just a temporary fix. Why not skip the hassle and invest in a new energy-efficient system? With our professional installation team, we make upgrading easy. With 0% financing and a 12-year warranty, we make it affordable. Say goodbye to constant repairs and hello to consistent comfort. Show us your repair estimate or bill from the last year, and we'll credit it for up to 5% off a new system of your choice. We are a family-owned business with over 40 years of experience serving our communities. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation.